same game he played Jonathan, Tinubu played Jonathan. That Jonathan cannot go second time. He went into alliance with North, and they take broom, sweep Jonathan off. From this year, we are packing our luggage. Biafra must go.
A PDP and chieftain, Abdulaziz Abubakar, has come and said that Tinubu should forget 2027 election. That he wants to see whether the Southwest alone can make Tinubu the two-time president. He has also come and said that the last election, that was the northern people that gave Tinubu the presidency, that he cannot see Tinubu winning in 2027 without the support of the northern population.
For northern chieftain of PDP, not APC, to tell Tinubu that you should forget about northern vote in 2027. A chieftain of PDP, to show that North are one, no matter the political party they belong to, North are one. By a member of PDP to come and tell Tinubu under APC, you should forget about northern vote in 2027. That North will come out massively and vote against him, which means PDP and APC of North, including Labour Party of North, wouldn't mind to come together against Tinubu and APC West. Because by 2027, they should count Biafra out from Nigerian election, because Biafra will not be there. So the election will be between the North, Arewa, and the West, the Yorubas. Because by God's grace, from this year, we are packing our luggage. Biafra must go. And we will go and live in Nigeria.
Not Ghana must go.
Not Ghana must go. Biafra must go. We will pack our with Ghana must go. If Rifator is slalom bag, it will be written boldly there. Biafra must go. We will go and live in Nigeria. So the election, the contest of election, or struggling of the election, will be between Arewa and Oduduwa. You understand? So Arewa can march together against Oduduwa. Oduduwa will rise up to stand to make sure they rule 2 terms as Nigerian president. And rigging Yankubu, Mahadu Yankubu, INEC chairman, unless they remove him, there's no way again he will ring the election to Tinubu, because now Nyamri have gone. P2B is no more contesting.
Why will you not contest now?
Eh?
Why will we not contest?
P2B will go to Biafra, because what they like is Biafra. If P2B,
if P2B doesn't possess the or have the Biafra passport, so
no. Listen. Let me make it clear. Anybody that have participated in Nigerian politics or public office holder in Nigeria, starting from local government, even councillor, even NGO owner under Nigeria, will never participate in anything public office in Biafra, because the corruption of Nigeria have eaten their blood. Corruption of Nigeria has become cancer blood in them. So they will not participate in anything Biafran holder. They will only live as a citizen and do mind their own business finally. Even though they cannot advise anybody holding political office in Biafra. Even to be a contractor doing work for Biafran government, they cannot do it. So let's forget about where they will not contest. But I'm telling them that that very day, in 2027, no Biafran man, whether the corrupt one or the good one, will participate in Nigerian election, because they have gone. So now it's left for North and the West. And if you see it, this man have quite sure that they will win election, because normally They will go to Niger, Mali, Chad, Burkina Faso, Sudan, Central African Republic, and deploy Fulani again. They become a register and vote him out. But I want to ask a question. Tinubu, when they love, Tinubu that is their darling, that made them to rig election against P2B, who won the election, although I did not support him to participate. But as he participated, they vote him. Okay, good luck to him. Then why do they are crying against Tinubu now? What have Tinubu done there? What crime have Tinubu commit against North? Even on party say you don't win again. He didn't say PDP will not vote for you. You cannot contest other PDP, but not in general, including him, PDP, will not vote Tinubu again. What have Tinubu done? What is offense? What crime have you committed against them? I need answer. Let them answer me. Now, Tinubu himself, Bible says in the book of Galatians chapter 6, I think verse 6 to 8, do not be mocked. Do not be deceived, for God is not mocked. Whatever a man sow, that he shall reap. If you sow to flesh unto corruption, you shall reap from flesh unto corruption. If you do to spirit to life eternal, you shall reap through spirit to life eternal. The same game he played Jonathan, Tinubu played Jonathan. That Jonathan cannot go second time. He went into alliance with North, and they take broom, sweep Jonathan off. Say Baba, say Baba, say Baba. They take broom, sweep Jonathan off from office. The same broom North are preparing now to take to sweep him out of office. That second time, he don't allow Tinubu to go. But he has his own personal ambition to be.
But do you not think Tinubu will use his will to buy them over?
Tinubu cannot buy North to over. But what you say, Tinubu is a Maradona.
Is a Jagaban or so?
Tinubu is a political Maradona. He's a political manipulator. He's a political calculator. You understand? Tinubu be watching them all. Coming to re-election, whether by normal or not normal, if they want to vote Tinubu out, they vote him out. So that's what I'm saying. And if you come for arms, for rioting, they will overpower the West. Let's all say the truth. They will overpower the West. But you know what Tinubu will do? Or the West in general will do? They'll be watching them. When they see that Tinubu cannot go second time, or see where the North are going, is to hold them. They will forward regional government fully. If they say no, then there'll be anarchy of this integration of Nigeria. From there, they will fight, full force, full fighting, conventional war will interrupt. People that will support the West are around. People that will support the North are around. By that time, we may have trans-Atlantic and trans-Sahara war. You mean what I know about trans-Atlantic and trans-Sahara war? People will support Yoruba and people will support North. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it may end up in that way. Or Yoruba surrender, as Jonathan and Biafran surrender in 2015 election. That's the two ways. But for not to determine that the Tinubu will not be there, they will do it. If they determine, they will do it. Because if Biafra go, no matter what happens, if Biafra still remain with Nigeria, Tinubu may get small votes from Biafran side. But if as Biafra are going, by God's grace we are going, Tinubu may not get any vote from Biafran side. You understand? And if there's any Biafran man in the north or west, he will be a foreigner, he cannot vote. Unless they consider we are meant that foreigners should vote. Therefore, the vote of Tinubu will rely on the population of the West. apart from Benin and Togo, West don't have much link. People who look like them or who have similar and cultural identity with them, but not Fulani and the Hausa have worldwide, African-wide cultural, traditional, religion, look-alike, identity. They have it many. They will go and deploy them. They will come and make sure they vote Tinubu out. You understand? Unless Tinubu start now, the West start now, working for the total emancipation. Working for total emancipation. Anything not, I'm telling you honestly, I'm not trying to promote not. I said Yorubas are weak. But anything not want to do to them, by the time Biafra have gone, oh, if they don't take time, not will succeed. If they don't rise up from now, not will succeed. Because I don't see the possibility of me to say no to call North, that we will not join you to fight the West. I don't see the possibility. Because me to Fulani, call North, have swallowed Hausa completely. Now, me to bet are at their mercy this time around. Me to bet are at their mercy. You understand? So I don't see the possibility me the way to say no. We have made mistake. Follow you to fight the Biafrans. This time we will not follow you to fight the Duduwa. I don't see the possibility. It's whether they like it or not. They may forced to fight the Duduwa against the Duduwa. So it's likely they may have their way. So let the West rise up now and know what they will do. They should not rely on Igbo, because Uzogwa and his men will not come again for this second time to do revolution.
But if you say they should not rely on Igbos, in last election, I don't think Tinubu had won in any of the southeastern states.
That
I don't think Tinubu won any of the southeastern states.
But he has a vote from southern.
Every year doesn't.
He has a vote. Do you know one vote can make you to lose election? Only one vote, and one vote can make you to win election. Only one vote can fall you or rise you up. Do you know? So I don't see the possibility. And if but God grace, as we are living, we live. 2007, if there's war between the North and West, I don't think that Biafra will support any of them, because we are still building ourselves up. We cannot left building our place. They go and look for the person we will support, whether financially, whether morally, whether personally, or in the time of arms. We cannot support any of them, because we are still building our place up. We have to build our place to stand before we look a person whom we will try to lay foundation for him. You understand? So let them know how they handle 2027. It's for the North and the West. Let them know how they handle it.
Peter
Mba is not happy over that Nnamdi Kanu is about coming out, because they know that if eventually Nnamdi Kanu comes out, they are all backing out. Yes, that's a good warning, a nice one from Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister in exile. And I want to tell you that what we have seen in the recent time about the Southeastern Governor Forum trying to visit Aso Rock in favor of Nnamdi Kanu's incarceration is just an eye service. None of them is even happy that Simon Ekpa is over there in Finland doing his agitation transaction. They are unhappy with Ekpa. None of them is even happy that United Nations and USA is at least negotiating among themselves about the release. The current suggestion to let Nnamdi Kanu off the cage. Let me tell you, Uso Opuzodoma is not happy. Charles Soludo, Omahe's, what they call that boy? Omahe's successor. And Peter Mba is not happy. over that Nnamdi Kanu is about coming out, because they know that if eventually if Nnamdi Kanu comes out, they are all what? Backing out. All of them will pack out from southeastern Nigeria. We don't play politics of wayo in Igbo land. Whom we are honest people, we are hardworking. We don't tolerate crooked politicking. No. When you are playing politics in Nigeria, make sure in Igbo land, make sure you do redeem all your promises to the southeasterners. Failure to do so, they are coming after you. So what I'm trying to say here is that negotiation for Nnamdi Kanu, good. All we are working towards now is let Nnamdi Kanu come out. If anybody asks him, those governors or Tinubu himself, must you don't do this? Yes, I will do it. It is called Durex. Nnamdi Kanu is a well-learned, educated man. Everything you do there is under Durex. When you come out, you tell the whole world what transpired when you were at DSS facilities. That they force you. We don't need to educate people on this. I don't know what I understand. So if they negotiate whatsoever, you come out, because it's obvious that court set you free. Nnamdi Kanu was freed by appeal court, by high court. Umuahia, Abuja, why are you still holding him? It's because he's an Igbo man. It's because of the kind of hatred you have against Igbo man. Igbophobia. Igbophobia. If anybody looks at you and that person is a full and also Yoruba, he will be very jealous of you. Why? I don't know. This kind of hate against Igbo man, it started as early as how many centuries ago? Look at Igbo man doing well. It concerns you. Go and work hard and do well. Is that your business? Of course, the first month of the year is January. It's just like on your marks. Set. Power. Everybody start the race of life. Igbo man run and runs many kilometers away from all the Pochuas, the anti-Igbos. That's why they will never, retract from hating Igbo man. So what I'm trying to say here is that anti-Igbo movement is on course. That's why Nnamdi Kanu has been freed. Still, they retain him there. Illegal detention of a man doing the right business. See, let me tell you, history is going to judge everybody. United Nations is aware of what I'm saying, and USA. Nnamdi Kanu is going to come out willy-nilly. Nigeria must be lacking behind. Dragging. As we move, the Fulani hegemonies, as a result of their too much fanaticism, that is religious fanaticism, they will be dragging Nigeria backward. Look at what Buhari did. From 2023 to 2015, Nigeria has gone backward to 50 years. Backward. Because of love for religion. Religion is man's method to associate with God. Is religion God? Okay, let me tell you, religion can never be God. And religion can never be right with God. Because you are doing it your own human way. I don't know what I understand. God knows your heart. What matters is your heart with God. It's not when you wear white and become a holy man. It is not when you dress in a way that a imam and alpha dresses that God will see your heart. It is not when you wear the robe that bishop and pastor put on. It's when God will know you. God knows the state of your heart. Most of them that are claiming to be Islamic clerics like Gumi,